Tell your child,
watch. The ball went down the tracker. When presenting the tracker, grasp the ball with all fingers. Your child is developing her grasp but still cannot use the ball like this. We always demonstrate to set her up for success. Before inserting the ball, pause. This helps your child follow along and allows her to anticipate the ball's movement. Extend your fingers. Exaggerating helps her to understand your actions. Observe the ball without talking to allow your baby to focus and visually track. Wait until the ball has completely stopped before picking it up again. This helps your baby grow her concentration and patience. Repeat several times, then invite her to have a turn. Start with just one ball so your child can focus. When she's had some practice or is starting to lose interest, add the remaining balls gradually to extend her engagement and repetition with the toy. If your child is not yet standing well, save the tracker for later. A child who is standing independently gains the full benefits of the tracker.